Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart right now. Check out so they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for watching. Now let's see what's inside. Baby. This is coming from MOOSOO. MOOSOO. Oh, baby. He's always nice to have around the house. This is a robot vacuum, Wi-Fi connectivity, 1800p, self-charging, multiple cleaning modes. Oh, yes. Straight out of the box, and now we got the package. MOOSOO MT501 robot vacuum cleaner. Gotta love these things. Saves so much time. You could go on your little vacation, have this cleaning from your phone. There we go. Flap down. Flap down. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. We got the topper. It has directions, a QR code. Download the app. Comes with a remote control, charging base, power buttons there, Wi-Fi indicators on top. Alright, pretty easy to do. Come on. There we go. Here she is, guys. We got the manual. And look at this. It's like the winner is MOOSOO. Smartest technology of the 2021 season. So this tells you intro, intention, product, instruction, all the good stuff you need to know if you're not familiar with these. I am pretty familiar now. It comes with the base, the robot, the remote control, power adapter, extra brushes, HEPA filter, clean brush. Ooh. And number 8 is manual. Oh, come on. And it's shut down right now. Alright. You gotta step on it a little faster then. So that's a good package right there. And here we go. If it stays in one spot. Power cord. Oh no. There it is. Charging base. Oh, there it is. Let's remove this. As my camera's going off. But this thing is sweet though. Definitely like these robots. Huh, I guess I didn't need to take that off. But it shows. Okay. there. That's what it looks like. You can always put the brush back in here. Oops, somehow. Yeah, that's good enough. It's locked in. Charge. There's where we put the plug in right there. DC. And now let's take a look at this beast. She is ready to rock and roll. Oh, we got some extra goodies down at the bottom. The filter replacement. I think that goes with it too. See, we got one and one. Have me some fun, dude. Brushes. Look at these things. They do work amazingly, so definitely check these guys out if you're in the market to look for one. Nice housewarming gift, birthday gift, Christmas gift. Mother's Day is coming up, so you know, give her a break and let these robots do its thing. Definitely not like the Will Smith iRobots, but this is definitely a nice one to have. Here we go. Here's a remote, simple remote. You get to do the wall clean, spot clean, full go, turbo mode, home, power, and you can control it left, right, up, down, pause it. 2 AAA, I do believe. I'll get those once I set everything up. So make sure you stock up on your AAAs, but it should have a long life on that remote because you're going to be probably using your smartphone a lot more than the remote control, unless something happens with your smartphone, then you can use that as backup, unless you're really old school and like to use the remote instead. So it's whatever choices you want to choose. I'm okay with it. Oh yeah, gotta love these robots. This is a nice design though, really nice. Warning. Nice finish right here. Gotta remove the bubble. And everyone's been saying the bubble a lot this year. How do I peel? Oof. Oh yes. Zoom in a little closer. Look at that. It's really nice. Here's the bottom. This is where you remove it. We'll flip it around for you. This is where it charges from, so it lines it up and zooms into the base. And simple. Should we see? Pull out easy. Filter replacement once you need to. It's right here. Lift. Clean. Snap. Pop, drop, and lock. Take it on backwards. Come on. Oh boy, hold on. Alright, there we go. Now let's take a look at the brush. Look at these wheels, off-roading. Feels nice. Yeah, look at these wheels though. This is where you put the brushers. Right here, just put 2 on. You have 2 extra ones. Should be, there we go. There we go. Once you hear that lock, it's good to, oops, dropped one of them. There we go. We got 2 in, and that's all you need. And then you got 2 extra in case they go bad, but it should be good for a while. Okay, next up will be the app. I gotta grab my other phone. Alright guys, once you get it going, this is what the app looks like. And vacuum. Now we're gonna plug her in. Alright guys, we got it connected. See strong signal right there. Right there. And then this is what the screen looks like. Really sweet. It'll show where it's cleaning with the little diagram. You can do wall foul, spiral, auto charge, random. That's what I would recommend is random. This is really nice. Excited to show you guys how it works in action. Here we go. Just do random. Look at that. Look how fast she's going. Oh, come back. So you could auto charge. It's gonna come find its base. You can pause it. See, if there's an obstacle in the way, it'll just, alright, not there. Go. I don't want to go underneath my computer, but you can see the diagram thing. Once it starts moving around your whole house, you can see where it's at. It'll show you. So this is definitely high-class technology coming from MOOSOO. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. I have the links down below. Have a great weekend. Be safe. See you soon.